Hello, in this video I want to show you how to put in or replace battery in your AKASO Brave 4 Pro camera. And inside the box you can find two batteries, one to put in and other that can act as a spare one. And on the bottom you can find the slot where you should insert the battery, so open it with something that is thin enough to be placed there, or use your finger nails. Now take the battery and you should put it in like this, so that the three sticks that you can see down there match the three slots right here. So again, let's put it like that. You have this little paper clip to pull the battery out if you want. Now let's close the lid. On the other side, I guess. Yep. Now the battery is in and we should be able to power on the camera if it's charged. Yep, it works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.